You're gonna go chasing across the dawn. You're gonna want a tripcaster. Not just any...
Workmanship.
Yep, more room to...
I should...
Masarap dyan gutumin yung mga sundalo pag pinasabog mo yung mga rooms. Yung supply room nila. Pag pinasabog mo, wala silang makakain.
Greater than myself. And for the good of all. I carry those words with me. On the hunt.
He's seen my face. We can't let him live.
Zuki dolls, you, where are you? Patay natin yan si Ocelot. Game over.
Ayun lang, no? Pag nanalo yan, sir, ibig sabihin lang nun, dissolve na rin yung credibility, no, ng mga nagbibigay ng award. Diba? Kasi isipin,
X. Ulat ako dun ah.
Oh, that's right. Just barrel through a stranger.
Black Ops 6, diba? Yan yung shit nila ngayon eh. No? Pero ako, I really enjoy COD Infinite Warfare. Cash on delivery.
Sparks to steel. Never seen anyone use one of those to get around.
Ano daw? Giveris daw malapit na mag-verbal yan. Sa Metaphor daw, yan ang central team. Governance. Ay, gusto ko yan.
The day of the lunar eclipse is at hand. The day of the original version of the Rogue Tsukaga left only to legend.
It worked. It's taking over the land out here too.
The cave and head for the aqueduct. We'll rendezvous with you there.
Roger.
What about the sentries?
I managed to get past them.
I see.
What about the boss?
We lost contact with the boss some time ago.
Na nag-Disneyland kami, pero hindi ko parang feeling ko hindi sulit yung Disneyland. Parang siyang Enchanted Kingdom, no? I don't know, siguro baka limas ang ano niya, ang kayamanan ng tag dito, ng Shopee. Magbakasyon ka pala, ha, palaro ako daw Wukong. Sige, sige sir.
And only I can save it.
What are you talking about?
Exactly what I just said. Everything living is going to die unless I fix.
Sokolov. Something between the KGB and GRU. Between Khrushchev's supporters and Volgans.
Sokolov was being guarded by the KGB and hunted by GRU? Snake, it sounds like...
Ang lakas ng flashlight eh. Multiple enemies.
Safely to the west. We used a mole to get the family out first and succeeded in sneaking Sokolov over the Berlin Wall shortly afterwards. I was the one who conducted the operation.
Kami daan dito eh.
Para ma-execute yun. Yun yung purpose, no? Yun yung purpose ng NFT na to. Yung minting na to. Kasi yung minting ng NFT, yun yung magiging key para ma-execute mo yung game na to.
And just what are you doing there?
In close-range combat, a knife can sometimes be more useful than a gun. By doing this, I'll be able to hold a knife at the same time.
Level talaga yung basic na hindi mo siya katarapang nito. Nahuli kita. Sexy Tari.
Sa ating mga gamers, no? So since alam niyo naman na doon magkakaroon ng mga huge price drop sa mga games, 'di ba? And mga ano din, mga any experience the console, no, to the fullest. So ganoon siya. Nawala ang pinaka-issue dito is wala tayong control for the content.
The security on the eastern side was still full of holes back then. Then what?
We got Sokolov over in one piece, but the whole ordeal had left him exhausted, and we checked him into a hospital in West Berlin.
Ano pa ba? Basta anything about useful thing na pwede mong magamit, 'di ba? And could attribute a value. So yun yung
Granted.
Tumama nga yung fatal shot ko nung una eh. Hindi makombo eh. Nawawala yung doktor. Kahapon ko pa nilalabanan yun, ganun talaga siya eh.
Doing out here, but consider yourself old. We tried to hold off and wait for the Vanguard, but one of them bristlebacks charged us. Next thing you know was a full-fledged fracas.
Is everyone okay?
ano yung naisip ko na solution, no? To be honest guys, no, ito pala hindi ko nasabi, no, before tayo mag-start. Yung solution na tinatry kong i-propose, hindi siya talaga totally.
That's all of them. Now let's go check on those miners.
Gonna get that?
Gross. I'll give you some cover.
Yung iba dyan scalper, yung iba dyan legit na collector. No? Which is actually very appropriate din dito sa ating topic at hand. No? Ganun talaga daw, Cloud, kahit daw sa work. So that includes, but is not limited to digital preservation. Such preservation efforts includes archiving developments, source code, and art. Para daw mapanood ko sana while finishing. Ay, grabe siya. Grabe ka, sir. Wala na. Naka-live na tayo eh. No? Yun lang yun, sir. Doon din sa platform nila mangyayari yon, no? And then yung mga tao, bibili sila ng NFT for that. Dinabili na nila, nasa wallet na nila. No?
Trick. Oh, guess that got its attention.
Ang appeal ng Disney is for kids, 'di ba? Pero yeah, I mean para sa akin parang pili ko lugi or hindi sulit yung bayad, no? Medyo mahal ng time na 'yan eh.
Boss.
Just relax and it'll all be over before you know it. Stay with me. I've seen people in worse shape before. Think you can...
Checking na ginagawa para malaman na ikaw as someone na may account sa ganitong platform, you are eligible to play this game kasi you ano tawag dito? Ayun nga, no, yung feeling ko yung traffic ngayon sa Manila, parang bumalik na sa normal eh. No, after the pandemic. It's okay na you disagree dun sa mga tao na yan, no, sa mga fina-follow natin. It's okay. Kasi parang ibig sabihin nun, bina-voice out mo yung perspective na hindi nila nakikita.
Richard experience na nangyari dyan. Umawi naman yung camera.
Tracks.
812, known as the Granin Design Bureau, and is using it to further his plans. But that is not enough to satisfy him. Now he's plotting to seize the secret weapon I have been developing here.
Wala na, hindi na siya lumabas. Baka kasi set na sila i-release yung MGS3 Delta next year. Malalaman natin. Baka i-announce ngayong yun. Hey, game.
Client. Diba? Ito yung client kunyari. Para ma-view or makuha niya, no? Yung data na yan, ang nangyari is dina-download natin. Yung game na gusto mong laruin or individual game, no? So, yun yung titingnan nyo. Diba? Hindi na yung parang dahil, malaking ito. Diba? Isipin nyo na lang, no? Yung mga games natin, if maging NFT sila. So, pwede natin i-trade. Video game magazines and books prior to the digital revolution. So, isa-isahin natin to, no? So, marami. Kumbaga, yung game preservation na sinasabi natin, no? Hindi lang siya.
Art tracks must have given way under. Some bristlebacks were in here. Picked up the bristleback. Looks like
Those no, you don't.
that Ulvin.
If this an
All right. I need to go. She's got frostbite.
Drift away.
Can it set over a land at peace? Today is such...
Hear me, marshals! You...
Go! Get it!
Sokolov comes with me.
So, yung tag dito, yung notification, hindi agad na what do you call this? Hindi agad na nagtitake
Bandage.
piracy ng games using their emulator. Kaya wala din sila magawa, no? Kasi nga parang nagagamit din on a bad bibili ng tao. Kumbaga parang meron ng transaction involved dyan. So, yun yung viability ng blockchain. No? Doon papasok yun. Kumbaga parang si Sony, okay, market.
Here, please accept this token of gratitude. You've done the Sundom, and my sanity, a great service. And I believe we have some matters to discuss.